So now here is the thing. Why do we feel stuck even when we have opportunities, even when we have options? People are gonna say like, oh, you are lazy, you are privileged. But what if there is something happening that is deeper than that? And that is why you keep getting stuck in your life even when life is happening. See, sometimes the problem is not lack of opportunities. Sometimes the problem is having lot of opportunities, because when you have lot on your plate it makes you paralyzed. It literally makes you feel like jack of all trades and master of none. Social media makes it even worse. It is constantly telling you that you have to wake up at 5, you need to journal, you need to learn a new skill, you need to learn a new language, and it keeps adding more and more. If I have 12 different hobbies, obviously I cannot pursue it in a single day. But sometimes the productivity is not adding 12 different things to your to-do list. Sometimes the productivity is adding 3 things in your to-do list and completely doing it. So you really have to pause and look at your life. Where do you want to go? What do you actually want to do? And you don't always have to listen to social media that is telling you that you need to have 10 different habits to become that girl. That lifestyle might work for some people but not for everyone else. So look at your life and find what works for you, because sometimes the most of the things that we want in our life, that is not even our real desires. We just see someone else doing something and suddenly we want the same thing, but that motivation is temporary because that desire is not yours in the first place. But here is the thing, sometimes we actually want to pursue 12 different things in our life. So find one thing that can change your life so that you can also pursue the other 11 things that is in your list. Like for example, you want to go to gym, you want to join dance classes, you want to learn French, but you are someone who is doing 9 to 5, and you also want to create content, you also want to start your business, or you want to work on your hustle. Your first priority should be building that business or working on your hustle along with your job, so that once you build that stability for yourself, you can leave your 9 to 5, and now you have time and money to pursue all other things. You have time, you can start painting again, you have money, you can join dance class, you can learn French, you can do anything. But first thing first, you have to pursue what is the most important task so that other things can align with it. Now, another important thing you have to do is protect your energy. Find your energy leakages and stop them. And watching productivity videos can trick your brain into feeling productive, but in reality, you are not doing anything at all. You feel like you are improving your life, but in reality, nothing is happening. So, first of all, you have to fix your energy leakages. And also, when you scroll on social media mindlessly, it steals your energy and you get trapped in the same cycle and you are following the same loop. And also, when you consume so much, you stop creating, your mind stop working, your mind stop creating. Because for creating, your mind needs space to think.